Today, I introduce our third-floor THT workshop, where we are committed to improving craftsmanship and quality. Quality assurance runs through every stage of our process. In addition to our ISO 1001, ISO 13485, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certifications, we follow a strict in-process testing protocol. All products undergo multiple stages of testing, including functional testing and environmental stress screening, to ensure that they can meet the requirements of the intended application. We pay special attention to reducing the risk of common problems such as cold soldered joints, component misalignment, and other potential defects that may affect product reliability. Finally, when we move to the final inspection area, we ensure that each product is meticulously inspected before packaging and shipment. This final stage involves extensive testing and verification to confirm that each component meets our strict standards. Thank you for taking the time to visit our workshop. At STHL, we are not only focused on production, but also on building partnerships through reliability, innovation, and excellent quality. We look forward to continuing to provide excellent solutions for all your manufacturing needs.